Good afternoon. It is 3:45 on Wednesday. We are getting ready to leave the Kia. Have my car back. Actually wanted to go the other way, but there is no room. That's okay, we can go this way. Yeah, so my car passed the test with flying colors. So it had nothing that needed recalling, nothing needed to be replaced. There's no added sensor or whatever. So that's good. I did not want anybody really messing with my car. I did not want to go through all that. So right now we are going to go get gas, and then I need to go get a coffee and go home. It has been a day. It has been a day. Man, we did like 8 or 9 places today, I think. Whew. Yeah, it was, I haven't had a day where I worked until 3 for a good long while. Man, I had my back today. I had to take 2 ibuprofen, I don't know, around somewhere between noon and 1. And then somewhere around 2-ish, maybe 2:30-ish, I had to take 2 Tylenol because the ibuprofen just wasn't cutting it. Oh my God. We're feeling a little better now, but I think that's mainly because I'm not bending and twisting and lifting and pushing and pulling and all that kind of stuff, right? Man, I have not heard back from my worker if they're going to help me pay for some of this physio for my back. I'm thinking I'm going to have to get a hold of my doctor and be like, all right, well, let's talk about these meds, because I can get partial coverage, I think for the meds. I'm not happy about it. I do not like taking medicine. I'm not a medicine kind of girl. I would rather do the physio. I would rather, yes. But whatever. So we shall see, I suppose. Now, driving around today in town, I noticed gas was at like $1.17 a liter, I believe. We are out heading toward the res now. Let's see what it is out here. Because I am not paying the tax. Sorry, not sorry. Oh, I can't see that far. I think it's one. Is that 104? What? I can't see that far. Excuse me. Pardon. So I think today for dinner, because I didn't take anything out of the freezer, I ended up I've started watching Yellowstone again. So I totally lost track of time last night. Thankfully, I was up and in bed by midnight. I caught myself there, but I had to clean the kitchen and all that kind of stuff up, and then So in all that, I totally forgot to take something out of the freezer. So I think we're just gonna do chicken nuggies and maybe some Kraft dinner. Which means I'll have to make it up to Boo Boo at some point and make homemade mac and cheese because he's not a big fan of the KD. I keep missing the sign. I'm curious what gas is here. This guy with all the junk in his truck. It doesn't look like it's on very safe. But what do I know? If I was better at backing up, I would totally go in backwards on the other side here. Because I think this lady's going to move a little bit faster than this guy. But we'll see. We'll see. Should I bother trying to... No, this guy's going to pull in. No, he's not pulling in. Should I go around? Should I go around and go where this truck guy is going to pull out? Should I? Shouldn't I? For the sake of the vlog, we'll just stay. It's fine. It's fine. So, yeah. And then, I think... What did I say today was Wednesday? We'll see, I think, how the day goes tomorrow. Because tomorrow, Monkey has his orthodontist appointment. I think that was at like 10 to 4. So there may or may not be a vlog tomorrow. I'm not sure. It's just kind of one of those days. But I think in the evening tomorrow, what I might do is some editing. I have not done any editing. I have this video that I've been working on. The block is just kicking my butt. Yeah, I see. That's what I was gonna do, was go around to, yeah, but it's fine. This guy really is taking forever. Holy moly. Oh, there he goes. He's done now. Yeah, this video is kicking my butt, this block. But I really want to get it up because I think it's a good reaction, and it's one of my favorite movies. Let's get up here. All right. Okay. I'm gonna get some gas. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. We have the gas, and yes, it was 104.9. Nice. Just under $34 to fill. I'm so happy. Round we go. Yes. We'll go get coffee. Oh, I need a coffee so bad. I was debating doing my hair tonight. We'll see. I don't know. I haven't put any extensions in my hair a few months now. I was on a roll for a while there. I was doing it almost every month. Actually, one of my customers asked the other day why I wasn't doing my hair. It made her so happy, apparently. No time. Other things to do. Other things to do. I just like things to keep my hands busy at night because I'm a nighttime snacker. Really bad. But if I can keep myself busy and distracted, then I'm not bored, and I'm not, I think it's more of a boredom thing, right? It's just kind of bored snacking, bored eating, whatever. Like, so if we could just, like, not do that, we might as well just go this way and get a coffee over here. Go, bro. Go, bro. Yeah, listen to that power. Oh, yeah. It did turn into a nice day. Listen, when I got up this morning, there was snow on the ground. Okay, it was not amazing. Toward the end of the day, I actually had to take my sweater off. I was warm. It's cooling off now. I think we're sitting at around 8 degrees Celsius right now. I think tomorrow is supposed to be kind of the same, kind of cold and stupid in the morning, and then a little gooder come the afternoon. I think I heard really mean talk by the forecast lady today that there was supposed to be some more snow, flurries, or whatever, but all badness overnight and into the morning tomorrow. But let's hope she's just pulling our face, not speaking facts, because I am so over. I'm so over that. It's April. What nice weather. Don't want the cold and the gloom and the... Ugh. Again, of course, we are in Chemical Valley, so that is kind of to be expected. It amazes me that this little road doesn't just crumble and fall apart with the amount of heavy trucks that traffic up and down this little road. And then you get people like me that like to use this road to cut through. Coming back from, getting gas or getting smokes or whatever out here. The speed limit, the max is supposed to be 50. Most people end up doing like 70 down here. It's ridiculous. And at this stop sign, there are so many accidents because people are ridiculous and don't stop properly. You best not be dumping, sir. It's not a dumping area. Oh, Timmy's, here I come, Now, we are not going to my regular Timmy's, so these people do not know. They don't know me. They don't know what I drink. I'm going to have to actually do a full order. Usually, when I go to the Timmy's that I normally go to, they see my car, they know what I'm getting. Until the summer comes and I totally screw them up and get my occasional iced coffee, which now that I know how to make it home, I'm hoping I won't do anymore. Although I can make hot coffee at home too, and I buy it all the time. So I mean, whatever. I wonder what it's supposed to be like for the weekend. I haven't checked any long range forecasts because to me there's no point. But there's this Mexican place that I've been hearing about for a couple of years now, that I should really Google and find out where in town it is, because I'm not even sure where it is. But they're supposed to make really, really good Mexican food. And they do margaritas by the pitcher. By the pitcher. Me and Boo Boo would have a good time there. I say me and Boo Boo because we both really enjoyed tequila. Monkey, number one, isn't of age to drink. And number two, I don't think he likes tequila. I know he likes rum. Yes, could I get an extra large double, please? That'll be all. Thank you. Stop being so efficient. I want to put my card away. Okay, I think I have a fin in here. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Cool. Oh, excuse me. My goodness. So I think Big Daddy will find out next week whether or not this deal he's made with this guy for selling his house is going to go through.
That one does that. $245.
Thank you. Whoops. Thank you. You have a good one. Yeah, he's got this deal, I guess, with some guy to buy his house. But it's on condition of him selling his house. And I think the deadline for this deal is next week, like the latter part of next week. Are you making a left or what are you doing, bro? We're just gonna stay back because he's a big rig and yeah, he's bigger than I am. Yes, he is making the left. He sure is. We're gonna make the right. Yeah, buddy. He didn't have his signal on to say that he was going right. But, I mean, that means nothing, let's be real, okay? I just don't trust other drivers, okay? I haven't mastered the art of reading minds, so just chill back for a second, it's fine. I don't think I've ever been caught at this particular light before. This area is kind of weird because if you can time it just right with your speed, We've just passed our first green light. We're approaching the second. If everybody just maintains 50, we should be able to go straight through the next several sets of lights with it. See, there we go, without having to stop at a light. The timing of these lights are very particular. And if you hit one red light, you are hitting all the red lights down here. Yeah, I don't know why they're expanding. It's weird how they've done these weird expansions to where the sidewalks pop out where it used to be road. It's friggin' weird. I don't know why they're doing that. Oh, let's see, now we need to slow down so we don't hit this red light. Oh, there we go. Okay, everybody. We need to be doing 50 or we're gonna catch the next red. Get confused because it does it weird too. Friggin' weird. It's friggin' weird. It's like all of a sudden the road just narrows right in. I don't know why they've done that. And they've done it in several areas here. It's weird. There, see? Yeah. The very last light of the stretch, red. It's okay. We made it through the other ones, so. It's all good. There we go. Green light. Green light. Get home in just enough time for me to sit down, have a couple swigs of coffee, and then I'll have to go get Boo Boo. It's just one of those go, go, go days. But that's fine. I needed to go get gas. It was getting a little too low for my liking. I don't like it when I get, past the half mark with the gas. Past the half mark. All right. Well, everyone. So, anybody watching, take care of yourself. Yeah, and we'll talk later. Bye.